Hi friends, Dr. West here. Let me just take a few moments to give you a little bit of orientation on what I'm looking for in the assignments. Here's the steps. First, you read the text which have been assigned. In the case of this first week, I've assigned a bunch of videos and things you can listen to on your computer, while I'm assuming that folks are going to have trouble finding their textbooks in the first week. So it's fairly low reading and a lot more of immersion sorts of issues. I consider this a softball week. If you're having a hard time, just know the professor considers this a softball week. You should be getting ready for the books which are following in the weeks that come as you look at some of this video content that I laid out for you. Relax, get in touch with your life. You know your life better than anybody else in the world. Let's just get into it and start talking to us about your life and your values. So that's step one, read the material. If you don't know the material, there's no way you can answer step 2 and step 3. Step 3 is you write a scenario. I have supplied a sheet for you that has 4 stages to it and an additional box in it that says that you need to ground this in the reading that you've just done. So fill out first box and give me 2 citations from the reading, and then follow the story form that I've designed for you. Every story has 4 phases to it, a once upon a time and a happily ever after sort of conclusion. In the middle is a big V where things go poorly, or a big mountaintop where things go very well. Your stories, your life tends to have these 4 phases to them. Don't be deep. Follow the 4 empty spaces that I've provided. Fill in the blanks. Hint, hint. I've even supplied a few starting lines at the bottom of the page. For those that are struggling how to tell a story, just finish the blanks that I've supplied in the illustrations beneath each of the 4 empty spaces. Now about the name, it's a situational dilemma. A situation you find yourself in when you have to choose a this way or that way or that way. What you're seeing inside of the syllabus may be a few edits I have not caught. I used to call this an organizational drama, situational drama. Whichever form you are seeing, it's the same thing. Use the form that West gave you. 4 questions that get you through 4 phases of a story. Then, post that document. That's your last step. Now you're interfacing with your computer. Post it and write a 200-word introduction to the document you posted. You're trying to get folks to come over and read your document. Now, when you're done with that, you're going to talk to 2 other peers who've posted their documents. That's going to be graded. You need to reply to at least 2 other people. Now, if someone else comes to your site beyond the 2 people that you've already responded to or that you responded to, be a good host and talk to anybody that comes to your to your post. Now, you get to stop on Saturday. I'm looking for everything to be posted by noon on Wednesday and for all of the reply work to be done on Saturday. Guess what? The day Sunday does not appear in my syllabus at all. There's no expectation that you should be working on our class on Sundays. In fact, I'm suggesting that you pick out a few hours of the week and you get your work done in those fixed time frames. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to work on Wednesday afternoons. I'm going to check in on Wednesday to download things, but I'm going to work again on our class on Monday mornings. So that's how I'm going to organize my world so that our online class doesn't overtake my world. Remember, there's only one of me, and there's a bunch of you. I happen to have the assistance of Dr. Larry Osplund, who will be working with us, and he will be working with us on the grading portion, but I want to be in conversations with you. So that's a little bit of orientation. Jump in, have fun with this, and work with the questions I gave you. You might be surprised at what lurks deep within your value system. This is Russell West. Look forward to working with you in the classroom. Bye-bye.